Good morning. Welcome to Nagoya International School. We're in our beautiful biology classroom and we're in a grade 12 class. Students here are at the moment looking at some of their learning and doing a practical by dissecting some pig's hearts. Let's hear from some of the students as to what they're doing and what they're looking for and why they're doing it.
Today, my class is dissecting a pig's heart, and as you can see on the board, we have a picture of the heart, and we're dissecting to find out the various parts of the heart and learn about it. But at the moment, it's not looking good because it's not as the heart is, it's like difficult to dissect, and it's not as what the picture shows, but I will keep trying.
So I think this is the left ventricle and this is the right ventricle because this has much more muscle than this side. And yeah, but I don't know where do you know where the right and left atriums are?
Thank you so much for stopping by. We hope to see you one day in person and have a great day. This is Principal's Perspectives, Nagoya International School. Bye.